So in this video, I just have to show you the possible fix to this issue. So basically, when I play a video in Facebook, I experience this um, colored lines in the video in my news feed. So basically, there's a problem with the browser probably. So I'm using Chrome browser. So I've searched some tutorials in Google on how to fix this, and I found some that shows to go to advanced settings and then to the system, and then if the use hardware acceleration when available is turned on, you just have to turn it off and then relaunch the um, browser. So probably or hopefully it can fix the issue, but if in some case if it doesn't work, we have to go over to the extensions. If that would um, there's an extension that causes the issue, so we have to turn it off as well individually and see if that resolves the colorful lines in Facebook videos. So let's relaunch the Chrome first and see if that would fix the um, colored lines. So probably I have to test it for a little while and see if we can really fix the issue by turning off that certain feature there in the settings of the Chrome browser. So after a few minutes of testing, so I see no issues anymore from playing the videos in Facebook. So it's playing fine without those um, colored lines showing in the videos. So that probably help fix the issue, and hopefully um, that would help with you as well if you have the same problem you encountered. So basically just have to go to the settings. So as you can see, there's a three dots at the right upper right side of Chrome, and then go to settings and then advanced. Now locate for the section called system, and then turn that feature off and then relaunch your um, Chrome browser. So that's probably it for this video, and hopefully um, you found it helpful if you encounter the same. But in case you have done that but it's still not working or it's not fixing anything, so probably you have to go to the extensions and then disable one by one disable them one by one and test the Facebook videos if that fixes the issue. That's all, and please like and subscribe my YouTube channel. Thank you.